Hello guys, I'm back with another ceiling fan video, and this video is going to be of all the ceiling fans I have. So, starting with this Impressions fan. So this is a 52-inch Impression ceiling fan. This was manufactured at Walmart, and everything is original on it. So yeah, I'm going to move on to the Hampton Bay Landmark now. Hampton Bay Landmark 42-inch. Didn't come with the light kit. It was, for some reason, it was supposed to come with the light kit, but it didn't. Next is Hampton Bay Hugger. The Hampton Bay Hugger is 52 inches. It is in the satin nickel version, and I have the cherry blades. And we have the 42-inch Northman Essential Ceiling Fan. And yeah, so as you can see right here, it has two of the globes, so not the original globes. I'll get one of the globes. Here it is. You remember? You might want to check out the video where I had the video about the cracked globes. And there's a cherry side up there, but I don't really like the cherry side. Here is this 42-inch Hampton Bay Middleton in white. And the blade, when I have the Encon Chili Pepper blade on it, this is like a temporary replacement. Fortunately, I didn't get it replaced yet, but I will have a replacement in the future. So yeah. Next on to this 3-blade Encon Chili Pepper. And here's a chili pepper blade. It's supposed to go on there. When I had this fan used, I wasn't using this one. I had to put it on in that room. So this one, the light kit is off, and you're probably gonna think, I shattered the light kit, but I didn't. It's right here. I'm gonna install. I guess I'll just install it now. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera right here for a minute. And I'm installing the globe right now. Alright. Loosen the thumb screws. No. Whoops. Almost got it. Alright. This fan's being a piece of crap, and it's being difficult. We'll just not do that. I'll just do that another time. Alright, so now moving on to this 52-inch Hampton Bay Chatham. The globes are off it for a reason. They're on my Northman Essential Ceiling Fan, which I said that the globes are broken on my Northman Essential Ceiling Fan. And the original pull chains are on this Hampton Bay Middleton ceiling fan. This fan came out of one of my family members' porch area, so that's why I blade to really bend down. Yeah, these came with longer pull chains, but they only came with really short pull chains. So yeah, thank you for watching all my ceiling fan videos. Oh, my ceiling fans. Oh wait, that's not it. I thought it was it, but I forgot. I had these other two ceiling fans in the corner right here. So I have this Hampton Bay Bridgeton right here. I have it in like this corner area for a reason. And just so you know, you probably saw videos of this. And then here's the Jarden ceiling fan. And so, because I have to get some new wire nuts for it, I'm going to get the switch cap on it soon, and I'll put new blades on this because that one's missing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. So yeah, see you later. Bye guys.